Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your HONOR X7A. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Now we have to grant the permissions to the files and to the camera. And go back to the camera, to the fax. Then tap on the plus to choose the source of your document and choose one of them. I'm going to pick something from my gallery, like this one. Of course you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import, and now you can add this shape to your document. Click on the arrow and select the file text for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver, of course. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.